Hello sir, this is Nimrat Tanveer from Pakistan and here's my project number 2 on commerce. Let's get started. These are the specifications I had to add in my project. So the first one is models. They said I must have 3 models for auction listings, bids and comments. So if we go on the admin side here, I have created the 4 models as shown for bids, comments, facts representing the question and answers and listings. Then the second one is create listing. Here on the index page, after logging in by adding the credentials, I can see a create listing option here. That takes me to a page where I can add the title, let's suppose chessboard, a description like a good playing board. Then I can add the price, let's say $230, and then we can choose any category and add image to the listing. After checking on list my item, I can see it among the active listings. The third specification is about active listings. They say we should have active listings on default route, i.e. our index should show all the active listings. So here you can see the index page list out all the active listings that are basically links, and on clicking any of these we can see the details. Here I did some addition, i.e. letting only the signed in users access the full content, and if one is not logged in, they can first log in and then access the bids, comments, question and answers, watch list, etc. Our fourth specification says the same as I described earlier. On clicking any listing, the user can see the details. It says here that user should be able to add the item in their watch list. So here on listing the details, we can see a button add to watch list, and after clicking it, the user would be redirected to a watch list page having all the listings that user added in their watch list recently. Then the specification is user should be able to bid on items and also can comment on them. Here on the listing details, I have 3 forms, one for the bids, the other for comments, and the third one obviously on additional form for FAQs representing the answer questions. The user can place bid here, let's suppose in this case 140, and then on submitting they would be redirected to a page showing all the bids. In the next requirement, the creator should have an option or a button for closing the listing. Here in my listings section, on clicking any listing that is created by the user, there would be a page with listing details plus creator tools. In the creator tools, we can see all the bids, comments, FAQs where creator can answer the questions, and a button that says close listing. And the next requirement is on clicking the closed listing, on clicking on a closed listing, the users should be able to see the winner and the highest bid. Here if I click on the books, I can see the listing is closed and the winner is Ginny with highest bid of £210. Then it says users should be able to add comments. Here we go, and on any listing and post a comment as good product, and on posting we can see it says the comment by username. The fifth specification is about watch list. Here we have a watch list page that consists of a list of all the listings that users added in their watch list. On clicking a specific one, it shows the status, as in this case the listing is closed, and this one shows details. The sixth specification is there should be a categories page with all the respective categories. You can see all the current categories available in this auction, and on clicking a specific one we can see all the listings in this category. At the last we have Django admin interface, where a site administrator can view, add, edit and delete any listing. So any listing, bids, comments, FAQs, etc. Here if I go to the bids and then bid on third object referring to the third listing, we can see the bids, the bid details, the bidder name and the listing title on which the bid is being placed, and here we can delete it, thus the bid is being deleted by the admin. Here our project ends. I hope you find it well. Thank you sir.